Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Ethereum arbitrage. I'll explain what it is, how profitable it is, and how you can actually earn from this strategy. Ethereum arbitrage means buying Ethereum cheaply on one exchange and selling it higher on another. I've been able to make a good amount of profit on my trades by following these steps. So the first step is to open the Telegram app and search for Binance Italy bot. Open the app, then click on the Start button. Click here. Hit the Create Wallet button to create a new wallet. Copy your 12 phrase keys and do not share them with anyone, and also make sure to store them in a secured manner. Log in. So now check the prices of Ethereum here. Great, it's currently higher here. So I'll go into deposit, copy my address, and go to my other wallet. Ethereum. Hit send. Paste the address. Enter the amount. 1 Ethereum. Click on confirm. All right, it took a while, but it's here. Okay, so as you can see, my 1 Ethereum is priced higher on this exchange. Now, I need to convert it to a stable coin to secure my profits. Click on Preview and approve the transaction. Great. So we've made about $816. Now let's withdraw. Click on USDC. Withdraw. I'll paste my withdrawal address. Enter the amount. 3372. Hit withdraw. Awesome. It was successful. Let's confirm the payment now. I think it should be here by now. Great. So we've made about $816. So guys, hit the subscribe button for more updates on how to earn from simple arbitrage strategies like this one.